Hey y'all, it's Jayla aka JaiChanellie on the internet, and today we're bringing you a self-maintenance vlog. We got our hair done, nails done, everything did, okay? We will be doing DIY eyelash extensions today, a whole little micro blading slash shaving your face situation. We're gonna be moisturizing the scalp, and I do already have a video on how we get these invisible locks. We're doing the nails, honey. We're getting ourselves together. If you're interested in seeing this video, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright y'all, so my skin is freshly washed, super dry, and currently revolting as we speak. I'm going to take my vitamin E oil. This is from Trader Joe's. And I'm going to put this all over my face to make sure I'm not like chafing or anything. The only other things I'm going to be using is my eyebrow razor. I got this from Amazon. It came in a 6-pack. Cleansing pads from Trader Joe's to wipe off the excess hair on the razor first of all. And then when I'm completely done, I kind of use it to wipe off some of that excess oil. So now that we're up close and personal, let's go ahead and take some of this hair off my face. Always pull my skin pretty taut, and then I'm going to shave downwards. My skin just looks smoother, it looks a little brighter, and then my makeup application is going to be chef's kiss. I do like my results. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I am super excited to go ahead and get into our lash extensions. This is from Kiss. It's their Lash Couture Lash Mapping Kit. It says it's 3D DIY lash extensions. If you have not already seen the video I have about doing DIY lash extensions, I'll go ahead and link that video above. This is brand new to me and I'm pretty sure it's a brand new product. So if you're interested in it, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description box below. It will be an affiliate link, so you can go ahead and support your girl, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this. We're gonna see how easy it actually is by following the directions. We can either do a cat eye look, a spiky look, or a natural look. Today, I think I'm gonna try out the natural just because I don't have anything to do. So in this kit, it looks like it comes with different lashes and it tells you the length in millimeters. So these are our different lash options. We have our glue, and then it also comes with remover as well. We have some tweezers that'll help us apply. Don't know what this is. We're gonna have to look up that too. I don't know what that is. And then it comes with the spoolie. Oh, it's a micro brush, so you can remove leftover residue off of your lashes. Lash mapping stickers. So they basically come with the pre-made settings, so you already know where you should be putting your lashes. Okay, so let me go ahead and read the instructions. It says we're going to choose our favorite from the 3 pre-designed lash map stickers. Natural today. Apply the sticker under the eye, covering the lower lashes as shown. The fat part, or the fatter part of the map, goes in the inner part of the eye. We have our sticker on there. It's covering our lower lash line. And now it's basically gonna tell me what cluster to grab and exactly where to place it. So y'all can see a little bit better. Sorry, my phone is right here because I'm also gonna be recording. It says the first one we need to grab is a 12 cluster. We starting from the inner or outer? Starting from the inner corner, we need to grab a 12 millimeter cluster. So can y'all see this? I'm holding the tray upside down basically. Going in at the very base, and I'm pulling it off like that. Now I'm going to go into my glue. I've added 2 of the 12s and 1, 2, 3 of the 14s, I believe. But as you can see, I'm already past this halfway marker. So I need to think about kind of rounding down my numbers. You have to take into account your eye size, your eye shape when doing this. It's a really good map, like as a guide. But I know that if I were to add too many more 14s, I would never be able to round down and go back to the 12. So this is one eye completely done. How are we looking? Let me go ahead and complete this other eye. Alright y'all, so I finished my lashes and this is what we're looking like. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have not already seen my video about my invisible locks, go ahead and check it out. I'll link it above and in the description box below for you. But we are just gonna go ahead and grease our scalp, oil our scalp up so it's not getting super flaky. I'll be using this hair oil from Girl and Hair, the scalp and hair strengthening oil. So I actually washed my hair in my invisible locks and I used this same line to go ahead and wash my hair while it's in this protective style. I'm gonna spread it over to my edges. So if I did have product buildup, that oil could break it up. Super simple. I'm just rubbing that oil into my scalp. It smells very nice, very fresh. And yeah, y'all, this is our hair. I did retwist some of these twists. I did not touch up all of them, but I just did a couple to make the style last a little bit longer. But oil in your scalp is most definitely maintenance, okay?
Let's get right into this fall nail design. So I asked y'all on my community tab whether I should go for fall inspired nails with some browns or Christmas inspired nails with some red nail polishes, and y'all chose fall. So we will be working with brown nail polish today, okay? Here's my inspo pick. We're going for like an iced coffee, very marbly, very freestyle design. So I'm taking all of the brown polishes that I have. These are gel nail polishes from Beetles. I'll leave them linked in my Amazon shop in the description box below, okay? But I'm taking all my browns and I'm literally just splattering them on my nails as I see fit, okay? In the previous clips, you actually saw me go in with a clear base gel, and I did not set that base gel. And the reason I didn't set it is because I want these polishes to be able to run into each other pretty easily. I don't want very clear lines, so you'll actually see me even go over some of the polishes with a different color. I got this nail polish, it's actually a 6-piece brown nail polish set from Beetles. Again, I got it from Amazon, so I'll go ahead and link it for you, but it came with 6 different browns, which is perfect for this look because I was just able to mix and match some darker colors with some lighter colors and just kind of feel the flow, okay? So both of my hands are completely different from one another. I did not follow like a specific scheme. I literally just was like, what brown do I want to pick up right now? And that's the brown that I picked up, and I just kind of played around with it and splattered it on my nail. So that is what you're watching me do right now. I'm going to do that for each one of my nails. I'm going to flash cure the nail. So I'm going to sit it underneath the UV lamp for about 25-30 seconds before I go in and set it completely, and then I'm going to layer on a second coat, okay? A couple of things I want to note. It is very hard to get a very even layer or thickness of gel polish when you're freestyling a set, so just be aware of that. You'll see me sometimes pause and kind of let the gel polish run down my nail because you know that gel's self-level, so I was trying to get some of that self-leveling effect in there. And then when I went in with the second coat, I wasn't necessarily trying to completely mimic what the first coat looked like. So it's a very freestyle nail set, very easy to replicate, very easy to do on your own, and I highly encourage you to try it out, okay? Again, all the products that I'm using are linked in my Amazon shop, which is in my description box. So if you're interested in the actual nails I'm using, the polishes, any tools, go ahead and check out my Amazon shop.
I love doing these maintenance vlogs, my maintenance routine, because when you have everything done at the same time, it just makes you feel like that girl, okay? So I'm feeling like that girl right now. Let me know what's included in your maintenance routine in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.